Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Well, guess what? We traveled a little, and this video is all about how I packed, or in this case, unpacked for Spain. And we're here in Sevilla for 1 month in an Airbnb, and then we're off to Madrid for a couple of days and then home. So, Raphael and I have been talking about doing slow travel now for a while, and we've watched a lot of videos, and we decided that this was going to be a way to stick our toe in the water and see how much we really liked slow travel. So we are here for a total of 35 days between Sevilla and Madrid, and we brought with us just a backpack and a carry-on. So I'm going to go through what we did. There's a little surprise, I think, for us anyway, as to how we got our clothes to fit in. So stick around. That'll be coming up, and you'll see how I was able to shove more clothes than I really thought I could in the luggage. We're also a little limited on recording equipment because, I don't know, clothing won out over some video stuff, but hopefully you'll forgive me for that. Anyway, here goes. Let's start with the backpack. So we brought a water bottle, and then in the backpack I have an extra pair of glasses, because if you wear glasses, you need an extra pair. And then I have one of the pair of shoes that I'm bringing in here, and I shoved my underwear is actually in my shoes, believe it or not. And then my Kindle is in here and a fan. Then in here I put this little compression bag, which actually I threw my stuff in it that I wanted on the seat with me in the plane, and it just comes in, for me it comes in very handy because it's all in one place. I've got my earphones in here for the plane. We both have these kind of big, clunky over-the-ear earphones. I think we're probably both going to end up switching to noise-canceling earbuds, but for now that's what we've got. I brought all my makeup, and I even toned it down a little bit, but anyway, it's all in here. Because remember, I am here for 35 days. My iPad. These are other sundry assorted toiletries that didn't have to go in the liquids bag. So it's like my razor, Q-tips, deodorant, my purple shampoo in a shampoo bar, my medicine for the month. So anyway, this was everything that didn't have to be counted as a liquid went into there. And then lastly, here's a little protein bar. And then I put my sneakers in here. I brought 3 pairs of shoes in total. The black loafers that I just showed you, this pair of Hokas that I'm about to pull out. Here we go. Pair of Hokas, and I have all my socks shoved into here. And that is, wait. Oh, jewelry, a little bag of jewelry. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna lug this up here. I've put some protection onto the table, so I do care about people's things. Anyhow, so I bought new luggage. This is a Travel Pro. We did a little research, and I bought this because it was very lightweight. We have another great suitcase, which I'll show you at some other time, which is, it's a carry-on, and it's great, but the suitcase itself weighs 10 pounds. So that was going to be very prohibitive in terms of getting what we wanted on board. So here we go. So we have in here, okay, these are ginger chews because, as you all know, I am on a weight loss medication, and I do often get nauseous or just really full after I eat, and so I brought my ginger chews with me because I love them. And then I brought some decaffeinated tea bags because I like to have a cup of tea at night. Thanks to some hints from some travelers, Finding Gina Marie, Judy, and Kevin, I brought some Ziploc bags, resealable, washable bags to use here in the Airbnb. And you were right, they didn't have anything to store food in. And then my laptop. And yes, I do have an iPad and a laptop, and it's just too long of a story to get into. So just trust me on that. Then here comes the surprise. So sunglasses, curling, flattening iron, a little travel scrubby, and then for my, I'm hiding it because I want it to be a surprise. So what we did was, instead of using compression, traditional compression cubes, which I've used before and I really like, Raphael did a little research and he decided that we would give these Ziploc compression bags a try. And so I have to tell you, all my clothes are in here. I've got 2 Ziploc compression bags full of my clothes. So in this one, I've got my underwear. Here, I'll open it up just so you can see. And actually, this was really compressed down even further, but I brought a little puffer with me because it is going to get colder. The longer we're here, we'll be here well into November. So I got this great little lightweight puffer. So that is in there. And then I have, besides my underwear, I've got 3 pairs of pants. So 1 pair of jeans and 4 pairs of pants. In here, along with a scarf and all of my undies. And then, which I have 8 pair. And then in here, I have, I do this all the time. This is actually where you suck the air out. And to that end, let me show you. So what you have to travel with if you're going to use this method is, I call it the air sucker inner outer. I'm sure there's a compressor or something named for it. But anyway, you put all your clothes in here, whatever the articles are. You seal this off, and then I'll just do it quickly. Oh, it probably needs a charge. No, it doesn't. So you just press that on there, and it sucks out of there. It's amazing. So this is like the size of a small coffee mug, and it doesn't even weigh as much as a coffee mug. So it's not a big deal to pack it. Raphael had that in his luggage. And then, yeah, so in here I have, I always sleep on a silk pillowcase. So here's my silk pillowcase. And then I have for tops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tops. That's the one I'm wearing, obviously, but I got six blouses in there. One like sweater, heavier weight sweater, 1 cute little wool top, and then the rest are, I'm a huge fan of Chico's. All of these are Chico's blouses. So that's all in here. So I think it's great, right? I got all those clothes in here in this little teeny tiny carry-on. Hi guys. So I just wanted to add in, after we showed you everything in my 2 Ziploc storage travel bags yesterday, I laid it all out today so that you could get a full immersion or experience into all the clothes we fit in. So again, here's all the blouses that I brought. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And this here is a pretty bulky sweater. I've got 2 scarves, couple of bras, panties, socks, my puffer jacket, and 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of slacks. So I think that was quite a bit that I was able to shove in there for that tiny little suitcase. So yeah, just wanted to share it all laid out for you so you can see exactly what we got in those 2 bags. All right, I think that's pretty good. In addition to that, I have my hairbrush. I have pajamas. Raphael does have the rest of my pajamas in his luggage, I'm not going to lie. I have my, I love my travel slippers, so I brought these, and this is like the 4th or 5th time I've worn them. If they're kind of worn out, I'll probably leave them here. And then in here, these are all of my liquids for the entire trip. And where I put my bras. I have 2 extra bras. Here's my palette, my eyeshadow palette, and then just some heavier socks in case I need them. And then I call this my luxury item. It's my cheese grater. So we're gonna cook while we're here, and I'll probably be making pasta. I'll pick up some Parmesan cheese, but if there was no grater, I can't have pasta without Parmesan. So that was my luxury item, and it turns out there was a grater here. But anyway, that's it. That's all my clothes that I got to travel for 35 days. If you know me, you know I did a whole video on how I check my luggage and all the clothes I usually bring. So there's been a big change in the last 2 or 3 months. So anyway, that's it. That's everything. Stick around for the next video. We did a walkthrough of the Airbnb when we got here, so we'll post that up for you. It's really adorable. And so anyway, that's it. That's how we got everything in the luggage. And thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. And we'll be back to you soon. Thanks. Take care.